नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है सारस्वत क्लासेस में। आज हम एक क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड में से क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने वाले हैं, जो कि एक बार डायग्राम के ऊपर बेस्ड है। ओके, तो जैसे कि हमें पता है कि क्वांट्स इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पोर्शन इन एनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन एंड इट इज द मोस्ट हाई स्कोरिंग पोर्शन ऑल्सो, as it only requires your basic mathematical and numerical skills. So people are used to get high scores. People are used to get enough scores to increase their total marks in this portion. Okay, so let's start with the problem. Here we are given a multiple bar diagram based on the number of students passed from two universities named University A and University B over the year of 2003 to 2008. Now let's see the first question. The sum of the students passed from University B in the year 2003, 5 and 6 combined together is what? In the year of 2003, the number of students passed from University B is 30. In 2005 it is 10, and in 2006 it is 40. Therefore, in total, the total number of students passed from University B is 80. Hence, option A is the correct answer, as the number of students are given in thousands. So 80 means 80,000. Now let's see the next question. The ratio between the number of students passed from University A in the year of 2007 and from the University B in 2004 is the number of students passed from University A in 2007 divided by the number of students passed from University B in 2004. So in 2007 the number of students passed from University A is 50, and in the year of 2004 number of students passed from University B is 30. So our required ratio is 5:3. Hence B is the correct answer. So we have successfully solved two questions, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quants and the tricks to solve these questions in real examination, then you can join our classes. So feel free to contact us in these two numbers, 9836793076 or 9874822756. And for further details, you also can check our website, which is www.saurabhsclasses.com. Okay, thank you very much.